A brief history of Ballynoran Castle, nestled in the picturesque county of Tipperary, Ireland, has a rich and storied history that mirrors the broader tapestry of Irish heritage. This medieval stronghold, whose origins date back to the 13th century, offers a fascinating glimpse into the feudal and turbulent times of Ireland's past. The castle was initially constructed by the Anglo-Norman de Barry family, who were granted lands in Tipperary following the Norman invasion of Ireland in the late 12th century. The strategic location of Ballynoran, near vital trade routes and fertile lands, made it a key fortification in the region. Built primarily as a defensive stronghold, the castle featured robust stone walls, a keep and a moat, designed to withstand sieges and attacks from rival clans and invaders. Throughout the Middle Ages, Ballynoran Castle was a focal point of conflict and power struggles. The de Barry family, like many Anglo-Norman lords, faced constant challenges from Gaelic Irish chieftains seeking to reclaim their ancestral lands. During the 14th and 15th centuries, the castle saw numerous skirmishes and changes in ownership, often reflecting the shifting allegiances and tumultuous politics of the time. In the 16th century, the castle's ownership passed to the Butler family, another prominent Anglo-Irish dynasty. The Butlers, Earls of Ormond, were influential figures in both Irish and English courts. Under their stewardship, Ballynoran Castle underwent significant renovations, transitioning from a purely military fortress to a more comfortable, albeit still fortified, residence. This period saw the addition of expansive gardens and improved living quarters, showcasing the blend of medieval and Renaissance architectural styles. The 17th century brought further upheaval, as Ireland was engulfed in the wars of the Three Kingdoms and the Cromwellian conquest. Ballynoran Castle, like many Irish strongholds, suffered during these conflicts. It was besieged and partially damaged by Cromwellian forces in the 1650s, reflecting the broader devastation experienced across the country. Despite these challenges, the Butlers managed to retain control of the castle, albeit with diminished power and resources. By the 18th century, the castle's military significance waned, and it became primarily a stately home. The surrounding lands were transformed into a grand estate, reflecting the changing social and economic landscape of Ireland. The Butlers, adapting to these changes, became key figures in the local community, contributing to the development of Tipperary's agricultural and social infrastructure. The 19th century brought both prosperity and hardship. The Great Famine, 1845-1852, had a profound impact on the region, with many tenants of the Ballynoran estate suffering greatly. The Butlers, like many landowners, faced economic difficulties, leading to the sale of parts of the estate. However, the castle itself remained a symbol of endurance and continuity amidst the changing tides of history. In the 20th century, Ballynoran Castle transitioned once again. As Ireland gained independence in 1922, the role of historic estates evolved. The castle was eventually sold out of the Butler family, passing into private ownership. Various restoration efforts in the latter half of the century aimed to preserve its historical and architectural integrity, recognizing its importance as a cultural and historical landmark. Today, Ballynoran Castle stands as a testament to Ireland's complex history, from Norman invasion to modern independence. It attracts visitors keen to explore its ancient walls, scenic surroundings, and the stories embedded within its stones. The castle's enduring presence offers a unique window into the past, showcasing the resilience and adaptability that have defined both the castle and the people of Ireland throughout centuries of change and challenge. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video of interest to you, please like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.